Crate Pro 6 offers flexible license options to meet your company's needs, from a single computer installation, to small business multi-computer licensing, to client-server configurations, which allow for local installation, centralized management, or even the ability to use an online hosting service. Crate Pro 6 is written using FileMaker, which is a cross-platform relational database application developed by Claris International, a subsidiary of Apple Inc. Crate Pro 6 will run on Mac or Windows computers, or a combination, and FileMaker Server will run on Mac, Windows, or Ubuntu server operating systems. The Crate Pro client license is in two parts. A full client license equals 1 CAL plus 1 DAL. A CAL designates a unique computer may access a Crate Pro database. Each computer with a CAL will install FileMaker Pro. Companies running RDP, Citrix, or Virtual Server will need a CAL purchased for each computer that will access a Crate Pro database, even though the CAL software will not be physically installed on that computer. The DAL control the number of concurrent connections into a Crate Pro database. DAL are managed within the Crate Pro database and not by the clients. Clients are not given priority into Crate Pro. It's on a first-come, first-serve basis. You may not need as many concurrent connections into Crate Pro as computers that can connect. An example would be when user has a desktop for the office and a laptop for travel or home. They would want 2 CAL, but only need 1 DAL. It's important to remember that the number of computers determines the CAL count, not the number of users. Crate Pro 6 allows you to create unlimited user accounts into the database, as long as they log in from a licensed computer. Crate Pro can be installed on a single computer and all users will log in directly on that computer to access Crate Pro 6. This configuration cannot be installed on a shared drive, on a cloud account or on a server. For 2 to 5 computers, peer-to-peer is a good option. One of the client computers will double as a client and host the Crate Pro files for the other clients to connect. In peer-to-peer, the clients can connect via your local network, over a VPN and even via an internet connection. Crate Pro must be installed on one of your clients and will not run on a computer with server software. FileMaker Server offers additional security and performance. It also provides for automated backups as well as a second installation for immediate restart in the case of failure on the primary server. With 5 client computers, using FileMaker Server is optional. In the following configurations, FileMaker Server is required. 6 or more computers, using virtual, Citrix or RDS configurations. When hosting multiple databases to support different locations from a central location. And when you want to run Crate Pro using an online hosting service. While there are some sample configurations on our price sheet, you can request an estimate for any combination of CAL plus DAL. Remember that FileMaker Server is a requirement for 6 or more CAL. The DAL, or concurrent connections, are important in a busy office. It's important to ensure that you have sufficient current connections so that no user gets locked out when they need to access the program. This can reduce your profit more than the cost of a sufficient number of concurrent connections. Licenses are a one-time purchase which includes a full year of updates, new versions, and online virtual training and support for your entire staff. The availability of an affordable annual maintenance plan ensures continued access to benefits beyond the first year. For companies wishing to pay monthly, Crate Pro 6 is a business tool and can be leased like you would for your saws and other equipment. Companies in the US may also work with eLease, who provides excellent service and options. Please ask us for more information. If you haven't scheduled a free presentation or phone call, please do so from the link below this video. Also, a link has been included to see more pre-purchase information.